Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA MG3600. Want to show you how to load the paper. Open up this cover, then go in. The paper we have here is A4 paper. So this is how to load the paper, A4. Now I want to show you how to load photo paper. Remove the paper, then you take your photo paper. This sort of printer, you need to make sure the glossy part need to face down, the smooth part need to face down. So this is how to load photo paper. This is 4x6. The smooth part need to face down, the rough part need to be on top. Then you close the cover. Then if you go on top, if you load 4x6, then you press this button to change it to 4x6. So make sure you change it to 4x6. If you load A4 paper, then you press this button to change it to A4 plain paper or 4x6 photo paper. The paper we have here right now is 4x6 photo paper. So you go on top here and change it to 4x6. So this is how to load the paper in this printer. Thank you.